What's up, guys? Video number 2. I already went ahead and beforehand did this. Order the data from smallest to largest. A common mistake people might put is just 1 0 and 1 1. That's wrong because there's 3 separate kids. I know I didn't say this in the last video, but 3 separate kids with number of siblings, no siblings. 3 kids with 1 sibling, 2 kids with 2, 1 with 7, 1 with 10. And so we have to include all the people. It would not be appropriate just to have 1 0 because 3 kids have no siblings. All right. This number, pick the middle number. I haven't done that. So the way I pick the middle number, I think of it like this is I cross off 2 at a time, starting at the highest, lowest, and getting closer and closer and closer and closer to the middle. So ready? I'm going to count 1, 2 every time. 1, 2. Do this on your page with me. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And now I'm not going to cross both of those off because that is all I'm left with. I have a sneeze. Excuse me. So if I wouldn't cross them off. In fact, I'll do it because there's nothing there now. So I'm going to leave both of these there and say 1, 1. Okay, the middle number is 1. Even though there were 2 of them, they were both 1. So that's the middle number. It's called the median. Is the median the same or different from the mean? It's clearly different. The mean was 2.4. And so we're going to keep that in mind. And I might even just go to the next slide because we're basically going to decide which of these two is better, 1 or 2.4, to summarize the data. So let me just go there and see. Oh, we're going to make a dot plot of the data. I can do this. It'll be quick. Ready? Dot plot of the data. I saw 3 zeros. Do this on your pages as well. 3 ones. 2 twos. And I was kind of trying to describe the dot plot before. 1 7, 1 10. And so, yeah, we see a ton of kids, yeah, with 0, 1, or 2 siblings. And then these are called outliers when they're just kind of way out there by themselves. But there's a couple of those outliers. And so looking at the dot plot, what better describes the center? The mean, 2.4, or the median? Oop, there's 1. 1. And I'm just going to change colors to kind of say what looks like it's more in the middle, this 1 or the 2.4. And it's actually the 1. And a lot of kids would say, but mister, look, we got to be in the middle of the 10 and the 7. Yeah, but I mean, look at this. This is the majority of the kids. If I say what's a good middle number, 1 is much better because it gets in the middle of almost all the kids included here. 2.4? Not really. If I say 2.4, we're thinking that there's a decent amount above 2.4, a decent amount below 2.4, and that's not true. There's only 2 data points or kids above 2.4 and 8 below. That's not a good center, okay? 1 is a better center. It makes more sense. There's more kids around that number 1 in our dot plot.